All right, guys, so my daughter is putting up, this is a protector, and I wanted to show this to you guys. So if you're moving in or want to protect your furniture from a move, say you got people delivering something. Ooh, excuse me. These lights are not bright. I gotta brighten these up. This is called Carpet Shield, and you get 50 feet of this. And this is something that you can do to make a path. Now, since we're moving in, I'm making a path so that they can take the stuff to the rooms and don't have to worry about messing up the carpet when they bring the stuff up. So that's what she's doing now. And this row is 50 feet and it was 12 bucks. So it's worth not having to get your carpets cleaned again. So this is a great way to protect your carpets and not get them all stained up and have to pay a lot to get them clean, or watch my video on how to use a rug doctor and do them yourself for less than 35 bucks. I love the rug doctor. So yeah, that's what we're doing, and I'm gonna show you when it's done. And so it's basically like a saran wrap, and it sticks and clings on its own. So she's pulling and I'm just stepping on it and it's sticking to the area. This is all we're doing to stick it to the stand. The pathway was created. So now they can step on this when they come in. Step right on this. And then we're gonna go down that way as well. And it's easy to cut. So all the way down and in here is protected. And so now this is a affordable, quick way to give you peace of mind and to protect your carpets during a move or a furniture delivery. This is something you can do or utilize. Because I know it's kind of nerve-wracking, especially if you have wintertime, snow and stuff like that, and you got people going in and out. You can't really, you can tell them to take their shoes off, but if they're carrying something, it's like, how are they going to take the shoes off when they come in, right? So yeah, let them come in and you don't have to worry. Just make sure they kind of follow the pattern of the stuff up the stairs. We kind of went a little over to the side, but it's all good. Just wanted to share this video with you because someone had reached out to me about protecting their floors, and I was like, oh, perfect timing. But this was a while ago, but it probably will be beneficial to several people from this point on, because this is a great way to protect your floors. Lowe's, Home Depot has this big rolls. This was only 50 foot. I usually get the big box. I don't know why I didn't. I didn't think I was gonna need that much, but I would recommend this for like apartment size or something like that. But they do have bigger boxes, but they're only $12.88 a roll or something like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you thumbs up and make sure you leave a comment below if you have any questions or you have any how-tos, DIYs, or ways to save a dime that you want to see me share with you guys. All right, talk to you later, Gators.